Here's my TrendNet router, which I'm going to factory reset. So before you do that, you should unplug the cables, except for the power cable. You need it on. So when you reset it, here's the reset button on the far right. Take something thin enough to poke into there, and you'll press and hold it for, I guess, 15 to 30 seconds. And so I'm going to poke it, and I'm going to show you what's going on the lights over here. So I'm going to poke it right now, and I'll wait roughly 20 seconds to show you what's going on. Eventually something funky should happen to these lights. So I waited quite a long time. I'm gonna let go. And it's really strange. Usually the lights blink a different way. Oh, as you can see, as soon as I let go, all the lights turn off. And so that's the thing that'll happen. As soon as I let go of the pin, the button, all the lights came off after a few seconds. So I guess we'll know we're back online as soon as the wireless LAN turns back on, or maybe if the status, yeah, you can see the wireless LAN is finally blinking. So it's probably ready to connect now, which I'll go ahead and do that now. So I'm ready to go.